If you're aspiring to work in the cybersecurity industry, you've probably faced this uphill battle already. You lack a clear roadmap to navigate the intricate path from cyber curious to being a paid professional. And the cyber industry's ever-changing landscape makes it challenging to discern which skills truly matter to employers and where to even start learning. And frustration and resignation build as you're getting ghosted for interviews, while confusingly the demand for skilled cybersecurity experts continues to surge. The lack of a mentor or structured approach further hinders progress, and this leaves many potential cybersecurity professionals feeling disheartened. So I did something about it, and I'm making it available to everyone. I present to you Cyber Unlocked, the ultimate guide to breaking into cybersecurity. It's a game-changing resource meticulously crafted by me, Dr. Gerald Auger. I have over 2 decades of cybersecurity industry experience, and I lay out a precise roadmap taking you from ground zero to coveted cybersecurity professional. And through my work with Simply Cyber, I have helped thousands of people on their cyber career journey, and this plan is rooted in those observed patterns. So grab up this exclusive opportunity to learn from me, build a strong foundation, and develop sought-after skills. Don't miss your chance to download Cyber Unlocked for free at simplycyber.io/book, and let me help you propel you towards an exciting and fulfilling future in cybersecurity. The journey begins now.